friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Sharkoon RGB slider compact PC case. So friends, Sharkoon has announced RGB slider compact PC case which features minimalistic design and low price tag. This PC case features an RGB strip on the front panel that offers 14 different present color modes, and it offers support for a variety of different motherboards, RGB software. And friend, this PC case is currently available through Sharkoon website, and the retail cost of it is €39.90 or $47.38. And friend, it has a simple but timeless design featuring a matte black coloring illuminated through a single RGB LED strip. And friend, the simple front panel design allows the RGB strip to be the center of attention. And friend, the RGB slider does features a large amount of airflow through the top and bottom of the case, while the front panel will feature little in the way of airflow. And friend, the RGB slider does feature 3 120mm mounting location against front panel, and 2 120mm fans can be installed under the top panel. And friend, it offers 3 SSD mounting location on the motherboard tray, backside, or the PSU tunnel for storage. And friend, this case offers 2 3.5mm to be installed in the HDD case. And friend, this case offers the ability to have a mini ITX, micro ITX, or an ATX motherboard. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.